It's called the morning after pill, a combination of prescription birth control pills that can keep a woman from becoming pregnant. It's been called the world's best kept secret, but as News Channel 3's April Cummings shows us, now the secret is out, and some people don't like it.
Women come into Champion's Pharmacy looking for emergency birth control on a regular basis. Pharmacist Charlie Champion knows how it works, but even with a doctor's prescription, it's not something he condones.
If I knew that it was going to be used as what we call the morning after pill, if I knew that, then I would take a position that, you know, they would have to go to another drugstore.
75% of the time, a combination of birth control pills taken within 72 hours after unprotected sex can keep a woman from getting pregnant. Critics say it's just another form of abortion, but Nanette Wilkin of Planned Parenthood disagrees.
It's a morning after pill, but it's not abortion because it's taken within 72 hours of unprotected sex. So there has been no conception.
Now, don't assume you can just take a bunch of your regular birth control pills and that'll do the job for you. You have to take specific pills and specific dosages in order to prevent pregnancy.
Rape victims and those who've been victims of incest can use this to prevent pregnancy. So it is very useful, but again, there are side effects, and women need to be seeing healthcare professionals for their long-term reproductive healthcare needs.
That's why she says you need to come see a doctor or go to a place like Planned Parenthood. Some states allow pharmacists to give customers this emergency conception without a doctor's prescription. But Tennessee isn't one of those states, at least not yet. And Dr. Champion hopes it will stay that way.
You know, we'll just shift them off to an OBGYN physician, because there's where it really needs to be. It's not anything that I should be doing out here in the drugstore.
April Cummings, News Channel 3, Memphis.
If you've lived in the Bluff City for any time at all, we'll tell you about a man who probably at least once filled your medical prescription.
Well, for 4 decades, Dr. Charles Champion prescribed medicine in Memphis. The first black pharmacist at a city-run hospital, he now operates his own pharmacy in South Memphis. Tonight, John Gadsden profiles this award winner in Faces Behind Black History Month.
I bought me some of the Olivale foam and face wash.
What I'm going to suggest is 2 things.
For more than 40 years, Dr. Charles Champion, a hero of sick people here in Memphis.
A lot of patients have confidence in my advice and the things that I can do for them.
The first black pharmacist to work at a city hospital, Dr. Champion went toe-to-toe with discrimination, not just from whites, but also other blacks.
A number of times, some of the employees didn't want to take orders from you, just couldn't digest in their minds that I was a professional.
Champion left John Gadsden's hospital in '68. For the next 13 years, he filled prescriptions for the Old Catch drugstore chain.
When I stopped working, it was called Osco. Then I went in business for myself.
His new business here on 3rd and Mallory, Champion's Pharmacy and Herb Store.
We had some older people there. They came up and had some old formulations and old herbs and so forth they wanted me to purchase.
Stocking herbs, a Champion trademark. Prescribing old-fashioned cures makes his practice different from the rest.
The study of herbs has been laughed out of the pharmacy school. So the pharmacists that's coming out of school today, they know nothing about herbs.
Dr. Champion works 6 days a week. He's 67 years old, nowhere close to leaving his store, nor his patients.
I'm here to comfort them and to advise them. If I can help somebody, that's my motto. You know, in fact, there's a song, if I can help somebody as I travel along, then my living will not be in vain.
With photojournalist Rocky Daly, John Gadsden, Fox 13, Eyewitness News.
Dr. Champion has received dozens of awards for his work. 2 years ago, a medical society named him as one of the most influential pharmacists in the country.